How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can cut an object out of another in Meshmixer. So it's really easy to do this. Let's say that our model has or have a stand combined onto our main model. Now, the way that you can cut this is by first clicking on the edit option. And from here, you then want to select the plain cut option. Now you can adjust this to whatever you want to. Now in my case, I'm going to be adjusting it depending on the combined shape right here. So in my case, it's going to be this one. And basically after adjusting this, depending on your model, what you can do is to just finish up by confirming it onto the top section, which is going to be this one. Now there's going to be multiple options that you can do this. You can cut this and discard the other half. So in our case, it's going to be this one. So if we actually click on the accept button, it will now discard that other half right there. But if you want to keep them together, you can just click on the second option. But in my case, I'm fine with this one. And that's how easy it is to cut an object out of another in Meshmixer. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.